Okay, Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and right here we have my current Gladiator Rubicon Launch Edition awesome ride. However, I've decided to get an AMW 4x4 engine swap, 392 in Fluffy, Epic's old Gladiator that White Rock Dodge bought, and doing the swap, and then it's going to be mine. Today is day one.
Day one, it's happening.
How are you?
Yeah, not bad, man. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, wasn't enough.
Wasn't quite enough?
So we're just taking the body off today, or?
Yes, the body's going to come off today. It requires us to do a whole bunch of things. So rock rails have to come off, the exhaust has to come out, a bunch of wiring, a bunch of tubing, e-brakes have to come off, like all that kind of stuff. So that'll probably take us 45 minutes or so just to get it ready. And then yes, the cab comes off, but the bed stays on, and then we roll the chassis backwards.
Sweet. Ginger.
What's up, buddy?
How are you?
I'm not bad. It's gonna get warm today.
That's a big bolt for the body. Holy moly.
So I think we've gotten all the stuff underneath done. We've removed the exhaust, we've disconnected all the skid plating that is necessary, the e-brake cables, the cables that operate the transmission, the transfer case, and any other little things from this side. So now we can lower it down and start working on the inner fender areas.
What do you think about all this swap nonsense?
Well, we could have picked a better time of year to do it.
Yeah, why?
It's a little hot. It's a little hot. It's only going to get hotter. But,
Well, you've got the cutoff on.
not by choice, trust me.
Oh, the J-Rock guy from Mopar Insiders. How are you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, good.
How excited are you right now?
Pretty excited.
I haven't started yet, I wouldn't get too excited.
Okay.
Where we sit now, we've got all the front grille rad support removed. We didn't have to, but it does make the job a little easier. We've then removed the washer fluid bottle, the PCM, and all the connections on the driver's side of the motor. We've taken the master cylinder ABS module out of their home and strapped them to the motor, as well as the coolant reservoir. We had the AC drained before the vehicle arrived here. We've disconnected that. Now we're going to work on this side of the motor, verifying that everything is disconnected and leaned into the motor so that we can lift the body up out of our way and start doing some real work.
Sweet.
Right at the very front of the pinch seam, right where the body mount is,
So like,
but you're gonna have it right here.
so it's going to sit on the pinch seam,
Yes,
right where the body mount is.
yes, but it's also gonna be on the very edge of this, so it clears that body mount on the frame.
So you want it more outside, so
Oh,
it sits
the most outside it can ever be.
on. Okay. That was really easy.
Just 1 second it was there, and the next it was gone.
1 second it's there, and then it's gone.
Okay, so the Bearded Ginger and the boys over at Epic here have taken the body off the Mojave. It is up in the air, and the engine is just kind of sticking out, waiting to be lifted out of here. We're going to open up the crate now and take a look at the new AMW engine that they got for us.
Let's see what's inside, or what Mopar Santa brought us this year.
So that is the 6.4 out of the crate from AMW. Looks amazing. Can't wait to slip it into the Mojave.
I bet you can.
I bet you can't.
Cool.
If only it went in that easy.
That's it for day one. We'll be back tomorrow to continue doing this swap. Bye.